Bilang isang bakla, paano po kami gagalangin, lalo ng mga kalalakihan? Mga kaibigan, para po sa akin, magsisimula po ito sa akin sarili. Dahil naniniwala po ako, mga kaibigan, kung marunong ka respetuhin yung sarili mo, re-respetuhin kayo ng mga tao na papaligid sa'yo, hindi lang mga kalalakihan, pati na rin mga bababaihan, pati na rin po ang mga taong nakapaligid sa atin. Dahil naniniwala ako, mga kaibigan, hindi po masama ang pagiging bakla sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng tao. Kung di ka gagawa ng sarili mo, ikasasama. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming
Patitipong yan!
Number 3. Ang ating huling tatanungin sa gabi dito.
Kawawa eh, pinalayas ang tatay.
Yeah.
Candidate number 4.
Babawi yan, tol.
Ay, eto oh. Parang babae na yun.
Once again, judge number 1. Buena mano.
Ay, nababae ko. Nagbutang ko.
Okay.
Boss na lang yun.
Tama na yun. Judge siya, judge siya.
Okay, gandang gabi ulit. Candidate number 4. Nung busa na ako ng tanong. Okay, bilang kabataan na lang, di ba uso naman ngayon yung mga nangangambita, youth organization, no? Bilang isang gay society, pumasok kayo sa isang youth, ano ang kauna-unahang work o project ang maibibigay mo, lalong-lalo na
Di
sa
mo ko yung
lugar
mukhang
ninyo?
wala. Tayo kasi.
Thank you for that beautiful question, sir. If I was given a chance to be a member of youth, what would I like to be, and what would I contribute first, and why? Why? Ladies and gentlemen, my first contribution to my youth is that education. Why? Because, ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that education is the best foundation of our nation. My vision, my decision is my succession, and that's to be all. I thank you.
Very well said. Candidate number 4. Last but definitely not the least, candidate number 2.
Hoy, ano yun?
Judge number 3, Ma'am Jen Balisado.
Ay, ginugulo nyo naman ako eh.
Good morning, ma'am. Okay, good evening. Sorry.
Ay, no, may bet.
Laging nakanga ngayon. Laging nakagalo ah.
Bilang isang okay, gusto ko lang i-share mo sa amin ano ang mga katangian mo na dapat pagmalaki ng isang kagaya mong gay.
Okay.
Na sa tingin mo ay magiging ikatataas ng inyong dangal o inyong pagtingin sa inyo ng ibang tao. Hindi lang kayo basta ordinary gay. Sa tingin mo, anong katangian meron ka na pwede mong ipakita na kami kahit gay, ganito, ganyan.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what characteristic that I have to share to all the person here in this contest tonight, but not all the person here in this contest tonight, but especially in the whole wide world. I can say it would be my talent. Yes, of course, I can share it to everyone. I can say it's my characteristics in myself. I can share to everybody. But ladies and gentlemen, one thing I can share to everyone in the society is my fulfillment to finish my education right now. It is because, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a lot of person that they cannot see because the very big problem of our country right now, that is the poverty. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, if I would share my education to everyone, I would share it for free. And ladies and gentlemen, I know in myself, a lot of person right now walking in the street, especially the youth one. Somebody tell, Kuya, ate, palimos po. Kuya, bili na po kayo ng sampagita. It really breaks my heart into tiny little pieces every time I see those child walking in the street. So therefore, if I would share my education, ladies and gentlemen, we will know po bang in Lipunan that we existed. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 2. Muli kayo po aming inaanyayahan sa September 18, ganap na alas 6 po. Libreng concert. Ito po yung handog sa atin ni Mayor Alvin L. San Pedro sa pakikipagtulungan po kay SK Kagawad Charles Legazpi at ng Asia Brewery. Kasama pa din po doon ang Team Buenos Dias. Binabati din po namin si Herminio the Great, Major Sapay, Brutos Neneng Cadena, Predong 14,